Hi folks, John.Richardson here, getting to show you one of the first that has come out here, 2020. Can you believe it? Here we are in 19, we already got 20s out. This is a Sundance 198 MB, stands for Murphy bed. This is a very, very lightweight, unique unit, as you're going to see as we go inside. But I want you to notice a couple of things. These little guys, even though they're small, you got an electric jack. You got two 5-gallon propane tanks that we're going to fill. It has fiberglass cap here on the front, which gives you the aerodynamics, holds the unit together. You got LED lights in it that light up. It's a beautiful coach when you light it up. You've got LED lights on your awning. You have storage underneath the Murphy bed, which is quite uncommon. Take a look at this. Now you see we've got the box here for the bed, but you have storage back on both sides, big wide access doors, plywood floors, laminate on top, cathedral ceilings inside that you're about to see, slam latch doors, baggage compartment doors, just like a motorhome. Electric awning. You can adjust the pitch on it. 3-year structural warranty. You get a 1-year bumper to bumper, but as far as the frame, 3-year structural warranty. We've got jacks. It's a sealed underbelly. One of the things I like to talk about is extended season. You can take this guy out in cold weather. It's not going to hurt it a bit. Folding grab handle, a lot of value here. Let's go inside. I want to show you about the Murphy bed and why I like this so much. This area here is designed to go to bed at night. That's all it's for. You got a bed that folds down, makes up into a bed, takes up part of your trailer. The only time you need this thing is at night, right? Unless you're sick or something. So the rest of the time, you put it back up, you're done with the bed, you're up in the morning. I'd like to have a couch. I'm up for the day. I've slept my 8 hours. I had a very restful sleep. Now I want to sit here. I want to kick it in the evening before I go to bed. Straight shot at the TV. I gotta buy one, or you go buy it, I'll get it put in for you. We got Bluetooth stereo along with CD, big cabinets. Then we get into the kitchen area, and I'll show you the rest of it. So you got a great big galvanized sink with a galley faucet, nice cabinets. Notice the hidden hinges, spring-loaded hinges. This is going to tell you that you got a decent built travel trailer. We've been carrying the Heartland product for a number of years now. I've been here myself going on 29 years. Take a look at your ceiling. You have what we call a cathedral ceiling. Ducted air throughout the rig. Now what I'd like to show you is right here above us, most air conditioners have an air conditioner that goes down one side and then down the other side. This here, as you can see, it's a rotating air, so you're getting airflow evenly, continuously from one end of this trailer to the other, not just down one side and down the other side. So in the event you're out here in the summer and it gets hot, turn your air on, you're going to have air that you can adjust to whatever area you're in. Hey, we want to go sit in the back window. We can close this stuff off here, close these vents off, and pump all the air to the back. Here's what I like about this trailer. Everybody wants a rear living room area. Why is that? Because they want windows. Look at this. You got a beautiful view of the propane tank behind us, the nice fence, the ditch, imagine in the winter, full of water, white swans looking for a handout, right? So here I can sit here. This will also become a bed. So I can sit here, I can play cards with the kids, play backgammon with the wife, get my you-know-what kick when we play cribbage by my wife, and some of the grandkids can even do it now. So nice big windows. What's nice about this is notice all the cabinets up above it. Notice your air right here with 2 air ducts right above you where you're sitting. Notice that these windows all open, so I don't need to have the air on in order to get airflow. All I got to do is pop some windows open. So very, very nice. In the event inclement weather, we can sit here, we can play some games, pull up another chair here. You can sit 3-4 people here. Okay, then of course we got to have a throne room in the event we need to go to the bathroom, along with the kitchen. So here we've got a cabinet up above the sink, galley faucet, plywood construction on your drawers, complete with separation for silverware. Not just one, but 3 drawers. Cabinet here, you can stuff some more stuff in it. 3-burner stove, hood pan, microwave, oven. More cabinets here for storage. 2 more here. And then last but not least, our beautiful shower. Look at the size of that shower. Look how bright and light it is. I didn't turn no lights on. I've got the throne, I got the sink in the bathroom, I got the bathtub, I got a place already for robes, toilet paper holders already installed, GFI around the bathroom, water area. Any other questions? Give me a holler, or better yet, hop in your car, come on down, because here's what I do know after 29 years. You're not going to buy the thing until you come out here and take a look at it and see the value. It has to have a value. Speaking of value, that's why I've been here at Guaranty 29 years. There's a value. We've got service department, we've got parts department, we got body shop, we got cars, trucks, fifth wheels, campers, toy haulers, technicians that have been here forever, just like me, that know how to fix things in the event that they go bad, RV park, parts department, restaurant, and last but not least, they even got some beer, in case you'd like to have a beer after dinner. Come see me. This is the place you want to do business. John Richardson, love to meet you. Thank you.